Hello, Augies Worldwide. I'm Aidan, Dave Castler's assistant and YouTube editor. And the reason for this video today is because I asked Dave a lot of questions about doing a nice small little QMR kit. And this is the one I did right here. This is a beginner's starting kit. It's called the LED Blinky. And the reason I kind of asked Dave about doing this kit is I've always been very interested in learning a lot in this category of building things with electronics and stuff, and it's also one of the reasons why I wanted to start working for Dave in the first place, is I can just be able to learn a lot and grow. And I'm really excited that he let me build my first little kit right here, even if it's something small and beginner's level, which I am. I'm just really happy I was able to receive the experience.
Why don't you plug it in and show us what it does?
So it's pretty basic. We'll just go back and forth between the two LEDs.
A green and a red one, right?
Yep, green and red.
So what do you plan to do for your next kit?
Honestly, for my next kit, I want to probably try something more difficult and harder, but we will see where I end up because I'm still beginning level and I'm not too advanced, but I will probably try something challenging.
Okay. What do you find interesting about being Dave's assistant?
What I find interesting about being Dave's assistant is I get the chance to learn a lot in a lot of categories like ham radio, electricity, electronics, and YouTube editing. And it's really exciting for me because I've always had it in the back of my head like I could be a YouTuber, but I have never really seen me working out as being one very successful. But with helping Dave and stuff, it's definitely a possibility I could try and see how that goes.
So when are you going to get your technician license?
We will see about that one. So I've considered getting my license multiple times, and I might attempt to get it in a year or a little bit longer. We'll just see what happens. So this is it for now, and until we next meet, 73.